Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Anopay there was a benevolent dictator. One my emre na you say one hour kan impo. Say obi edidi na adwuma ho.
Everybody try for your website.
Yenya be do here central region for 190 a. Me ne mpanifo adi kan di nkomo asie. Asana me srew.
Just say it was a unanimous decision.
Sustainable Development Goal number 8. It states that is to promote sustained, inclusive, and sustainable growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. And the pay maybe so central region. Ahimfo. Politicians, successful businessmen and women. Obi bia regional unemployment was sort of poverty higher in the region. Yen to me nye hwa ma ya regional enkoso nyese ne city. Mesre so bi mpanyimfo ni bi tie mi na ombedi anima. Animanimu ya. Say yedi ya na che. Why can't we have stakeholder consultation or engagement? A kwan ben ye faswa. Central region send ye ohia adokroye. Obi oha poverty no ote only in the classroom and now ohui as a word. Now central region there we live it. We live poverty. Kwan ben ye faswa betumi adi adwuma decent jobs. Aba region nim amasa ohia ni enkanka ahokyere dodo no akofo kwan ben ye faso a ye betumi ama training to provide skill set sabi nya say esi adwuma ni ho anti wo hia obi a o minya adwuma be na obetumi aye onsua hwe ekwan ben no faso obenya adwuma ye enti se empanyimfo betumi aka ye ho obom ni esi o ebia sikani bi betumi ana obi akakra obetumi bia se carpenter for 19 na obetumi sponsor yakohu carpenter ni bi onu ya carpenter deda na ese ehun niema yakoto de akoban se enkware training masonia training seamstresser na se beto sewing machine training how do we provide a skill set ebema omonso omotumi aye brofoka sem so omaye employable ana omo akasa to etumi aye bibi a omdo omonsa be call ma no. Let's begin to identify job opportunities, if any,
in the central region.
In the central region, at least fruits. Dodwana ye pa in the region could be pineapple, anka, watermelon, and now deliberate government effort. Being say ye kwa see special factories. Abanye. Individuals betumi a omometa actually na yemfese
na anya central region ekunfi juice one juice
chama juice wo ho eno kwa entumi ma the angle I'm coming from juice nkwa to me provide ye de no kwa problem o central region crime scene don't forget to say
crime scene
don't forget say Kasua eka central region ho.
Yeah.
Aduma bia ni wo matumani makankan saa minhu aduma enkankan se mabunu no kaso mo pa aduma ye kura ehin no monko enti deliberate government policy and effort say ye kwakoye bibi ama mabunu no aka say yenso we ni ebetumi aye na ye jane se ne yeti ya dia chama ehu Ghana ya kan CD na dollar. We don't need to be experts in economics. You see, ya nye bi kura no yembane enema ya ye betumi aye wo hane de ma ye mpene so mobi nkofa bi mfia brotrema ebi wo kura am pass through the rigorous exercise na be me hu sa ade no allowed in terms of standards ni ade papa na nye papa ti ya de fa kire ni ade ba fruit juice do aye ton wo man bi wo kura edin egu hu kura on da expiry date to de be ni nyina standards ni ho ade tina as region no yen hwe se niema we ni ye be ye misre mpanimfo ahimfo council of state members, politicians. Me say enkankan successful businessmen. Many a penny at least will be one hotel why or engaging for. Yen na yanka ye humum. Ni solve problem na answer that e beba be ya sudi kese ato yeso. What can we do now? We need to change the status quo. Let's change the narrative. Now na when unemployment was low, na when poverty was low. Then you bet me aye. What can we do? It's so sad. If you look around, who ni pabi sabi. Aduane on be di kura ehun ode. Men can say poverty ni baby fufuro. But at least yes, central region here started civilization. Na started here. BBR see the entire region. What can we boast of?
Kwame Duncan.
Yeah, sorry. Let's get up. Let's do something different. Because Anyasa and Chirimano Empire Hunter.
Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet